Hello. Yes. Today I'm going to show you a demo of our school management system. This school management system has different logins for different users. Like for admin, it has separate interface. For teachers, it has separate interface. And for student and parents, this is another separate interface. To start with, we'll try admin demo. Click here. This is opening. Okay. This panel gives you a preview of your school activities. Here you can see how many students are there in school. It is guardians. Here you can see how many teachers are in the school. These are employees. Employees are different from teachers, like some admins, some librarians, some clerical department. They are employees, they are not teachers. So this is shown here. Here you can see incomes and expenditures of school. Here is the calendar. Here you can add events and other functions and happenings in the school. Let us add one event here. Event, we'll click here on events. Here you can see listing of previous events like general meeting and this so on. How we add a new event? Let's click here. Here we'll add title of the event like a demo meeting. Okay. For which people this event is going on? For the super admins, for the admin, guardians, or students who are invited. Teachers are invited, or accountants are invited, librarians, reception staff, or servant. Let us create this event for the guardians. Okay. Event place, where the event will take place. Let me add here school meeting hall. You can add here any other place where you want to manage the event hall. From which date? Let us start the event from the 6th of March 2023. And when this event will end? This will event after on second day, 8th March 2023. Here you can add any uploads pictures if you want. This is optional. I add here this image. Notes are optional. Let us submit. Here a demo meeting, you can see it. As well, this will also appear on the dashboard. A demo meeting, 6/7. This is the time when this event is going on. Let us edit this event for next 1 year. Sorry, for next 1 day, like 8. How will I edit this event? Click here. This event we are going to edit. Click on the edit. 9th. You can see it from 6th of March to 9th of March. Date has been changed. Here you can see this event is going to happen 6th to 9th. Now let us see about academics of the school. Here comes the classes. Here you can see the existing classes, list of existing classes. I have added here only one class and called 10th class for the example. Here you can add another classes if you want. Like this is, I want to add 9th class. 9, numeric symbol, 9. Who is the class teacher? Here are our teachers. You can select one teacher that is going to head the class. I select here Tara Agrawal. Note these are completely optional. Let us submit it. Here you can see 9th class has been added in this. You can also edit it by clicking on the edit button. You can add here 10th. 10th. You change the name of teacher. So 10th we have already 10th class, so I cannot add the 10th. I will add 11th. A teacher name, who's the class teacher. Notes are optional. Update it. Here you can see the class has been changed. Edit. Here you can add other sections of the class. Add section. Section A will be added automatically. So you should like to add other sections like B, C, D, E, F. I am adding here section B. 11, class teacher. For example, class teacher is Tarla Dawn ma'am. Notes are optional. Submit it. So we have added class 11 along with section A and B plus their class teachers. Next comes the subjects. What subject this class is going to happen? Hindi, English, mathematics, and so on. I'm going to add another subject, business studies for class 11. Here I write business studies. Subject code, it can be anything according to your school policies. I'm writing here, for example, BS 100. Author. Here will be the name of author whose book will be followed in the class. You can leave it blank if there is no recommended book. You can write down. And I am writing name, Dr. J. Agarwal. Type. This subject is mandatory or optional. I am selecting mandatory. Class 11. Teacher who will teach this subject. Business studies will be taught by Tanuja Chauhan ma'am. Submit it. Here it appears. You can edit it according to your preferences or needs. I change the class teacher name, sorry, subject teacher name to Tamanna Gupta ma'am. Update it. And here it has been updated. Next comes material, study material for the students. Here is the list of previous study materials, and we can add new one too. Add title. Here is the title of the study material. I write here business studies chapter 1. class 11, subject, business studies, upload. Here you can add the file in PDF form, docx file, PPT, PPTX, or text file, or any other format that you think suitable for the students. Let me upload here it. This file I am going to upload. Submit. Here it appears. You can add more study material if you like. So you can edit the one, edit this one, like chapter. It was not chapter 1, it was chapter 2. I changed it accordingly and submit it, update it. Here you can see the title has been changed. This study material will also be shown to the student when they log in to their respective account. Material. Now we'll go to live classes. You can also take live classes for your school. There is a list of previous classes that had been expired because these were happening on October 2022 and this was on October 22. They are the timings. These are been expired. So I am going to add a new online class, live class. Here class for which class? 11th section A subject. Here is business studies. Only one subject because we have not added more subjects. When we added more subjects like accountancy, like business mathematics, business laws, they will also appear here. Teacher, who is going to taught this class? Here I select Tanisha Arora ma'am. Live class type. It is going to happen on Zoom, GC meetings, or Google Meet. You have three options. I am going to select the Zoom meetings. Meeting ID. I am going to give here some dummy ID, for example, sample ID. It is, I write here sample. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9. Meeting password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Class then. When this class will be live, when student can attend this meeting, this class, it will be live on 7th March 2023. Start time when this class will start. This class will start on 11 a.m. in the morning. And this class will end on 12 p.m. Notes. Any optional note you can give here or you can leave it. Submit it. Here you can see the class 11 meeting has been scheduled for class 11 section here for the subject business studies by the Tanisha Arora ma'am on date, time, waiting. If you want, you can edit it here, view it here. Here you can see the details. You can see this event is going to happen on Zoom meetings. Next is assignments. If you have, you can also update here assignments for the students. Right add class for title. Sample assignment. Class 11th, section AB, subject, assignment date. It is 8th March. Submission date, when the student will submit this assignment. 10th. Here you can upload assignment material. Upload. Here I select sample document and submit it. Notes, you can add any sample notes here, just like and please complete this in 2 hours. So here the sample assignment is appearing. When the student will do this assignment and submit their assignment, that assignment will appear under submissions. Here you can see the previous assignments that had been submitted by the students. Because we have just created another assignment for class 11th that has not been submitted by any student, that submit that assignment is not appearing here. However, we can add here submission by ourselves, by teacher, or by admin, but that is not advisable. That is for rare cases where the student has some problems and cannot submit his or her assignment by herself. He can or she can give the submit assignment to the teacher, and teacher can do it for him or for her. That is the real cases. So I'm not going to describe here, but here is the possibility. So I have shown you academic tutorial. For time being, in the next video, we'll cover other options. You can see here, there are so many options to cover. Thank you.